In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat on either Windows or Mac. This process is crucial for ensuring that your document looks exactly as you intended when it's viewed or printed on different devices, as embedded fonts maintain the integrity of your document's text. So let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This powerful tool is widely used for editing and managing PDF files, and it provides the perfect platform for embedding fonts seamlessly. Once your document is open, look towards the upper right corner of the interface where you'll see the print option. Go ahead and click on Print. This might seem a bit unexpected since we aren't actually printing, but this step is essential to access the necessary settings. After clicking Print, you'll find a drop-down menu for selecting your printer. From this list, choose Adobe PDF. By doing so, you're not just directing the document to print as a regular piece of paper, but rather setting it up to be processed digitally with the changes you're about to make. Next, click on Properties. This will open a new window where you can customize how Adobe Acrobat handles your PDF print job. Within the Properties window, navigate to the Adobe PDF Settings tab. Here you'll find various options, but the one we're interested in is the default settings. Make sure this is set to high quality print. This setting ensures that your PDF is optimized and maintains the best possible quality. Once you've done that, click on Edit. This action will open another dialog box. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side. Look for the category labeled Fonts. This is where you'll instruct Acrobat to embed all fonts used in your document. There's a checkbox labeled Embed all fonts. Click this checkbox to ensure it's marked. This step is crucial because it's what will help preserve the appearance of your document exactly as you created it. Once you've checked the box to embed all fonts, go ahead and click OK. This action finalizes your settings choices. You may be prompted to save your settings, which is a good idea if you want to maintain these configurations for future documents. Save your settings and you're all done. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded your fonts in the PDF, ensuring that your document will be viewable and printable just as you designed it, regardless of the fonts available on other computers. Remember, consistent document appearance is key, especially for professional presentations and print jobs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.